So just say sa Polubu multi-purpose dam na implementation no na se mu fi se bia ehun sika bi kofa ba bia enipa kro na sika ne fa ne nsem no
Ebusianfo aha Ghana 7 TV GH mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded you'll be notified. Ebusianfo aha Ghana 7 when them say we are a family enti wa bet me aboaye by donations no momo no na wa aboaye na dia to data na dia to nyama bakumi no bi na dia studio afefefe any your production afefefe. Ebusianfo second independence no ISC Kwame Nkrumah na di first independence by na second independence no John Mahama na di aba the second come year second independence now whether the independence is from bia good into evil la but omuna so-called bloggers be any NDC for na mpese omuka kire say and Akufo-Addo it was all bad. Okay, and Akufo-Addo it was all bad though. Let's just say that. But the kind of desolation yes who say o man we mu no e bien si Akufo-Addo mu aban mu and almost aban yejumani bia no almost all the associations are on strike and me who say nkrofo bi so serve notice bi o say almost ma because strike all over. But muna musi second independence so to the extent say media for NDC for I'm making sure say omato mu conscience through money media na be skewed reportage say there say semboni I free aban ho eba obi anka wan say na obi aye din no media house will report say for MPP one quickly na ma report it Iyoko koko chi MPP ni bia quick normal report na musi ni pare bia skase ni say those media men cry na omoye biased to the extent say as Akufo-Addo buy no Akufo-Addo ni pa bonini and all those enne omukro ma brain DC government omukasa omo NDC for media for ya to the extent say obi media di bakwa na se bakwa jumaye ni bakwa ye juma wo Oyerepa TV no so no waka sembia asena shoke me o si John Mahama no o complaini dodo o si ye man peni is actually John Dramani Mahama o complaini kra dodo na o tibi complaini say MPP for one jail sika MPP for the eka to hama and all those things and ti infa na o tibi nya sika editor with ministers the CEOs no o nya sika no infa at the end MPP for free aban mo no omuja oskani bi say uba aban mo na dey actual ministers omuja oskani bi say uba aban mo na dey actual vice president omuja oskani bi say uba na dey actual CEOs omuja oskani bi yes but some way somehow no you have been able to get that money to pay your ministers, pay your appointees ko be bria mo ko she Jubilee House honum say omu ye staffers uti omu nyina ya na ya jantu omu nyina omu je omu pay omu aka say aban di omuka otibi tua krofo we nyina ba eba no citizens for ne omu benefits omu benya fra ban ho de we see omu ko yen ko beside MPP for. How do you expect us as a mind to just be like that? Na ye bre yen to make a sense so adan aban always has excuse for something. Debi adia we enye kra Juma Mahama His Excellency any NDC for EDD no is not right enye right. Debi muna mu say mu Akufo-Addo anye ni ye then mba be ye ni ye no ni. This is what you people are promising Ghanaians. This is a change. Research fun bank right here. Research fun bank right here. Asemu no me kakra na ya makuma ya. Esa asemu ya kache Ghana for. Ghana for say research no enya de ba ya de pa. Research nya de pa. Ya kache Ghana for. But now mo fi say politics. Any ye ne ebusian for. The video is up next. Don't go anywhere. Hi Ghana 7 TV GH. Remember you can help us support us by using a number from her. Be donate. Kitwe bien swa. Eda mo ase.
Tunkrama Abamu Penny Porter, Sambre, and Kaya Ganafo, yes, yes, Upak Mada, yes, this one, I didn't back Mada, yes, Toto, as I said, the back in the book out to the one, and as the answer, and dear Nama, to say a pack and a couple of kina about. I have a bit of you. It's a bit of you. Some bad people know you minister. Yes, yeah, you don't say a quarter of this. You're back to tell you about it. Now, when you say, Bible story, you check out what now, what you and you know, my young woman. That's a man for what? What the fuck kill for the God? Everybody will buy. It's a man for push here. It's just what I am. What way? Just for me, the person I am going to make it. They said, right, why are you Echo, maybe I'm telling you to tell you. It's your trouble. Yes, so come here. The moon here, the other player. Who might be able for the 40? Say a tick, and we are doing what okay. Yes,
you are the master. Okay, Jamie, Mate, Jamie Medasi. Good. I just want champion share yellow shirt and you can find if you race course. That's the situation over there. I'm go slow when I ready now. You go that's the situation. At this point, the man said, aha.
I say almost say abandon na say betimi adua bi Ghana ha na me suggest say sa Polubu multi-purpose dam bi na
start no maka ho asema
aha implementation no na say mu fi say bi a ehun sika bi kofa ba bi a eni ba kro na sika ne fa ne nsem no mrani nini na project ne de project no yen de obi a nobody's in doubt say project no ehun hia the amount for can say sky kasi enye nkofo bi bia for baby this is sky ni bia for baby a mama kwa enso emrani nini na project ni de abai ema nani enko ho na mama ni nyese de project bia obi shase na ye ba na abai kan say won pese be nti na na you ambitious na say ne on ka say project ni hu hia o no aka kan say bia na asi ko kwaji ye no kura no o ma nya hu nkrata nye sika o mutwa to wo kura no ya metuka pre ho ye tiase ba project no hu hia enti say me so say abai bia ni onu ma before say oba power no na ba na otiso no atwa sika bi wo say oba fatua o minister sika ba o mo ba o minister so mutua o muka aha enti sa na project no so abai bia na hu sika no aksa na bibisa no
omka sombe
ya ombe project ndi hu hia
sika bia na ba bia
anyway na Ghana say o man no say da bia sa hand to mouth
okay
enti omo page kana sa multi-purpose dam no omo nye na at least omo timinfa enyo say na woman na ka say first na omo kwa commandant me ka pa
first na boga kra omo ko boga na dam so hon ma
commandant
and ni na are
honorable Apreku time Dr. Apreku commandant Domanos o say ye factory ni ye bibia de aka de o say kan fidi infidi susu na factory
ni ye na fidi
minimum de kwa no
wa ye no mo si dan na wie
die you factory idea you say dem see there be a pavilion bi wo see post and wa bo so and the video ngumu dia no de juma be no wa
matia
sa hon mu say sa time no ro is a for time
e me ni ko ho
e me ni ko ho a enka akoma da ya akoma ya ka nyina so post o mu be yempo na ba wi a nyina be san pro because processing factory bia say ni ho
o ndem chire
oh
tomatoes we are the
ya perisa bugu message say ya we kura na omo dia be me wan say omo yes ka because we say be 3-4 days ya be say
omo de ne de ehun den kakra
but ehun den kura cha 2 weeks me yes say be 2 weeks e be do
omo de den me say we dia
people are having challenges and then we attribute it to opposition. That is very wrong and insensitive. And in all her conversations, or everything she said, you can't feel anything in there trying to appreciate what the ordinary farmer is going through. Wow. You mentioned President John Dramani Mahama being a farmer. He is the president of Ghana. Mm-hmm. So don't compare the farmer down there in that village to President John Dramani Mahama being a farmer. And that statement, the statement that he made is an unfortunate statement. I don't think he should have made it.
Why?
The farmers are going through hell. Find something to tell them, encourage them. Don't joke, don't mock them.
How is he mocking
He's mocking them? You are a president of Ghana. Yes, you are a farmer, but you are a president of Ghana.
But does it alter the price for him?
It doesn't alter the price, but you are at a higher position that you wouldn't go through what they go. You wouldn't leave your office and go and sleep in the forest. You wouldn't leave your office to go and hire Aboboya to go and carry your cocoa beans from the farms to wherever they have to take it to. You are the president of Ghana, and I see that as mockery. You are mocking the cocoa farmers. Instead of you to show empathy, you are trying to, I think, create a funny joke out of this. It is not funny. When you go out there, I heard one woman saying that she has worked so hard, she has her fingernails are all made. Yes, they are all gone. And she's around 65, 70, trying to put something together for her family. So if you're a president and you sit there and say you're also a cocoa farmer, you've experienced it, I don't think it is right to the cocoa farmers. You are being insensitive. And all the things, she sat here saying all these things, blaming the MPP. The person who is now the CEO of Cocoa Board sat on Metro TV, was giving all sorts of, what we call it, strategies to run the Cocoa Board. Now, NDC came to power and they gave you that position that, yes, you have the know-how to manage this. They know whatever is going on in every sector that they have been put. So you can't come here and blame the MPP for something that you knew so well about, and you could even sit on TV and then create strategies for the other CEO to use. You are now here, you made some bad decisions, and now we are here. The cocoa farmers are only asking you that please maintain the same price. They've made projections, they put in a lot of money, they farm this cocoa for a very long time, and then they've made certain commitments. Please do not reduce their prices to 2,500 cedis. Maintain the price that Nana Akufo-Addo left for them. She was talking about scholarships. You know the benefits that they got from there. If they didn't benefit from it, they wouldn't be sitting there asking that the government should take it back. Now she's sitting here mentioning 70%. When you wanted them to vote for you, you never went to the farmers with 70%. You went there with figures. You promised them 6,500. Now that you have made bad calculations and things are not going well, you want to reverse it back to percentages. They were not talking about percentages when they went to the farmers. You went there promising them 6,500. That is what they want to hear. Don't go to the farmers with percentages. That is insensitive. You do not care. You only care about yourself and people maintaining you in power. Look at the plight of the farmers. Listen to what they are saying. They do not want the 2,500 cedis. They want you to maintain. If you will not add the little, after promising them 6,500, if you will not add the little that you added to them, please maintain the 3,100 cedis. That is what the minority is asking for. So don't sit here and then taking us back to the MPP, and the MPP did this. It doesn't solve the problems of the farmer.
Absolutely.
So please. I beg you.
To me the Oyerepa penifo ne omo de da o say be say wo nipa smile Oyerepa ne penifo ko de da sika wo say be no like you know
na jollof kan na na yampa asresere no ene wa kire ne yire no
Mr. Media, me I've warned him me say
Sir John nyame fa ne kransie Sir John me wo fa Sir John wo frɛ no no asere ne sika Odu ne ma hopsin obona konhuma week bia obekọ radio no ofre Sir John ji sika
yes enokre
me ka nokra kire mo ne
enokre Josie
o ma Sir John wa wu omu du omu nsa gu omu ti omu bo bina nyina hopsin di kai because Sir John made who he is
Omuni na Josie flow ni anko flow
ene me de baba jama ene start here baba se wo na wo be ye divide wo be ye attention wo be divert attention wo boa wo na wo be divert attention afiri kokọ akuafo nsensem ihu enu nti no akwaji nwura gu ko mu nkramoni ene de wo na wo se wo ye wulomo ewu ama wo na wo be di ade wo baba jama baumia ekọ na nanom so seja Ghana ha ye what three religions ne wo kurom ha enkramo Christian ena yi na wakɔ Christian akɔ nkremo oso de nananom de ma because Bible kura ka se fa kasa de ma kasa no wakɔ hɔ no mo a wo baba jama de kɔgyina nkramofu wo se Baomi akɔ so haram ene de baba jama wo na wo ye wulomo na baba jama mi buse wo firi nkran ana se wo firi atiwa atiwa because yentiase loss of identity ana se we a coat of many colors kurobia moja kakra som we 50-50 ana se 10-10 baby a 10 ana 16 regions ni nyina baba ya ka kire wo ne ene wa me yahunu se ye nyina ye baako etie nuanom kramofu a motena ho ma baba jama abetum futuro gu mani ekira mo se Dr. Mahmoud Baomi akowura wulo mo fie wakọ baabi eni so wokọ eni se wowura friend sa asore dem miwa ye tikrom ha ena mo ntaka ene ye friend se papa wei ha na edusi ana anu nke ekokunu wosiremu de be divert attention kokọ akuafo yi fofi anto ata entintam no yatia no mu kọ asole dem koja Mahama se okoda nyame ase na Baomi de wokobia onye nipa ache ejale bia se Buhari ye de ne kwoto amnam ekogina aso de she munya atwum sei me se Dr. Mahmoud Baomi de nyame ye no any Ekufuado no vindication upon vindication upon vindication ene etwaguo he dollar ni begu manim ase ye nche koko na atoforcing me say atoforcing is envious of Dr. Mahmoud Baomi's achievement. Well, you're envious because you know that guy is brilliant than him. Onimsa Baomi is capable of managing Ghana's affairs. Into or you sadist or you jealous of Dr. Mahmoud Baomi. Into obeko bibia said ye beya Dr. Baomi credibility as the economic nerd and I say genius no enu many abri person mo pepe free wo because adian personal enye political personal because atofo sin ni hu ne se Baomi adwene na ekura ni tirim no da bia wode bibi foforo ba na bibi foforo no wode ba no din kenyan de awosuo bi tegum de awosen bi ba enu ho pono mo koye na enenu ase aka wo mo second tema ene 40 swami interchange yatitu sise hu koko yatitu sise hu eketua etichafo na grat kobonu na grat president waye na fusa de enkura bomu 4 post ensore ya na ochina na Ekufuado abo so yentu akwatiem 30% kura de makobonu a wonye ene de mama baaya wo akwaje 9% ati so say hu ene de mo ni high sense fo ena mafo mu slogan ene yati so say hu ene a friend say nurse fo mu gufie he kope ensadwum ensanodwuma bi foforo ne sua na ye ntepro no a ene sa de ekombekun because Mahama no se menya so okra edwama so abra IMF say Ghana was on the right track na wo ba ye usike egu ho eja ode to nananom ho se nka nananom ebeduru mre bi na emu yedea ye de abo oman no ho bra no eno na wo de wo nkokọ no na wo wi nkosua no na de be na odaache se yo ne bi boy se covid ene ho ahwen a ubetimi aboa me se na Ekufuado de he ye kwa ehira ye nhira no na me se wo fie no kire me na me munu bro meto ho kire me se me nkwache bi ho se me mlani ma ho se UK ho so na me munu bo na ja ofa fele se munya madom na mfa nkoma papa na he Ghana 2 years imponi ena musuin mo se mate dollar so ya tete niema so ensu ni penny purchasing power ultimate kotoi usika wei ensu ani wu agrepo Ghana fo And the light, se Mahama dum so na ba kaneja I said ye why a traffic light no. E so ana edum me say yemfidie ye tu e say ya ye scan koto. Ye pmachew. O de o feel say aye yi afa yi ne bra. Ni ehu se na ye dem. Ni aboaboa ye ho. E me so ne set traffic light. Uso no adum no yemu ye hu de ye ho abese TV a ye digigi ye ni kakrakra ye pmachew ani die mu a because so the incompetent man unya ade ma ne nye feda e na ye ti we ye kufu ado wa hye ye bone nanado wa hye ye bone ali man pacho dum no why